Hi, this is Wendy, and thanks for joining me. This is the beach trip we took in 2010. This is Lily and I at the airport.
And me.
Yep, and me. And we flew to Portland, Oregon, where Grandma and Grandpa picked us up, and the rest of the family that was on their way to the beach house.
Show me your drink.
And Ruth is playing with a little boy that was sitting in front of us. He was probably about 8. He was really cute. He was making her laugh.
Oh, so cute.
I bought Ruth and Lily some special toys that they had never seen before to use in the airport to help them be happy and get through the trip. And they did really well. I think the hardest part about flying with 2 little kids for me was just the physical aspect of carrying the luggage and the kids and getting through the checkout points, because you have to take it all apart and then put it all back on. But we made it through, and they did really great on the flight. They liked the snacks, and I lucked out both flights. I paid for 2 seats, and they had extra room, so I got a 3rd seat to use, so that was really nice. This is the beach house we stayed at. By far the nicest beach house I've ever stayed in. They were amazing. They were very new, and the rooms were really fun. The decor was really cute. Just really open. Great view right there on the beachfront. You can see Grandpa did a great job. Picked some great houses to stay in.
And I liked, some of our cousins were playing games in the game room, and they love games.
Yeah, they had a game room with, as you can see, it's like a little arcade. Just a really fun idea. Someone really thought this out well.
I was at the beach house when I was a baby and thought I was out of the beach. And Ruthie was watching a show, and never of us was watching the show.
Yeah, Lily was almost 1 year old. She was just a few days away from her birthday.
But Mom,
This is Ruth walking in the sand. I think when you first get to the beach, for kids, it's probably like being on the moon. I mean, it's just such a different experience than what you're used to. It's hard to walk. Just feels different, looks different. It's funny when you watch a lot of movie commentaries, you'll be watching a scene and the actors or the director will recount how cold it was when they were there, and it was cold. Temperature doesn't translate.
Oh look, Mom, that's
video.
baby Ryan.
Yeah, that's baby Ryan.
He's so cute.
You gotta be careful though when the tide's coming in. We don't set the babies down and forget them because the tide will slide in. Lil, baby Roo.
It's not to let the tide sneak in on us when our babies are crawling around.
Rai! Hi! Hi, baby! Ryan! Ryan! Hi, Ryan!
Hey, whose hands are that?
Isaac,
Wow.
yeah.
He's digging a hole.
Yep. There's the boys learning the properties of wet sand.
Mom, they're making castles.
Yeah, they're trying to. That sand, I don't know if it's cooperating so well.
Well, they supposed to get some dry sand.
Yeah, if you watch, they had better luck the next day. So we'll show that soon.
We can share buckets, can't we? Okay, good. So I think I'm gonna need you.
That's Corinne, my cousin.
Yeah.
She was at the beach too.
Yeah.
That's Cindy. She was at the beach too. Mom, Corinne did it. She made a castle.
Yeah, you're right. She got that one. Got it to stick together. So Allison filling her bucket.
Because she wanted to make a castle too. I have the rake. And Mom, I got a rake and a shovel.
Yeah. There's the girls.
I'm right by Corinne.
Yep.
Up there is Corinne again. Oh,
I say it a lot, but Corinne and Sydney remind me of Heather and I growing up a lot. Heather was a lot like Corinne, very imaginative, a sensitive soul, kind of tall and leaner and amazing dancer. And Sydney reminds me of myself, kind of
she got some water.
very smart, kind of not as tall, although I was a lot younger than Heather. Not a lot,
Oh,
but
look,
2
there's
years younger.
Sandy, Mom.
That's Sarah.
Oh, that's Sarah.
Sarah, what are you making? Oh, a sandcastle. Cool. What are you making, Sydney?
She's making castle too.
Yeah, it's not packing real well, is it?
Yeah. See, the water helps her pack it.
Water helps her pack it, Mom.
Yeah, helps the sand stick together. There's Mason.
He's going to the water.
There's Connor.
He's going.
There's our second McShane sighting.
Connor. Oh, Mom, look, there's Adam.
Yep, this is Adam and Connor. About 6 inches and probably 3 shoe sizes ago.
Adam wants to get in the water.
There's Kian.
Kian. Oh, who is that?
I love this. She stops and she scoops, and then she loses most of it, so she's got to stop and scoop again. Scooping her way up the beach.
Everybody's going. Grandpa's doing something.
That's Tyson.
Oh,
Those are Tyson's hands.
Uh-oh. It broke.
And that is most of the first day. So thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we'll post another one of day 2 at the beach.
No, Mom, it's going backwards. Oh no.
Thanks.
I want to hear the sound.